I just wanted to let you see the tools that I've built so far in action. So here's the home page. You can get this from my bio. These are the two apps that I currently have, but there's actually a third one that I'll tell you about in a second. So this is the Seanchló. You can type in Irish and it will convert it into Seanchló. And you can see it down here. You can change the font like this. And I added the aber voices. So you click this and it will read out whatever you've typed.
Díomh a chairde, scríogaí mhórmhócail seo.
Okay, so you've seen this already. And then the other app is nGael, which is here. And that's actually a sentence bank. It's got about 5,000 sentences that have been reliably translated, not by me. And you can interact with them through this website that I built. So, for example, say you do agav, it returns all the different forms, all sentences in the 5,000 list that contain that word or the different forms of the word, which you can see up here. If you want a specific form, you could either do an exact Irish search, like so, which returns sentences that contain that word exactly, or you can simply click the version that you'd like this. Okay, and another addition to this website that I didn't really share yet is you can see these words that have a dash box around them. They're actually verbs, and if you click it, it will show all the different tenses and moods of the verbs. So for example, rav, if you click it, you can see this is the verb be, ta, rav, biach, beam, be. So I think that's quite useful. So if you had a verb, let's say we have a verb, okay, so you could get the verb, click it here, and it will show you all the different forms. Okay, so they're the two websites, and you can find them from my homepage, and that's in my bio, my YouTube bio, or in the description of this video, I should put it. So the third tool that I wanted to show you is the new Chrome extension that I built. So I'm proud of this one. I'm still working on it, so I haven't released it yet. So this is Michael from the future. It actually is done, and you can get the link in the description. Good luck. So it's actually here. And once you install it, you don't interact with it up there. What you do is, let's say you're working on some Irish, or you have a document in Irish in the browser on any website. What you do is you highlight some text, and when you highlight it, this icon appears, and if you click it, it actually sends it to aber, and aber sends back the sound. So
Díomh a chairde,
so this is useful for like particular words you want to hear,
scríogaí mhócail,
versus clicking this, which will send all of the text. And let me just show you, it works on any website. It's not restricted to mine. So if I go here, the Irish National Anthem, I click, I go to the lyrics, and let's say I'm just reading the Irish and I wonder how we pronounce this word, or at least how a synthetic voice would pronounce it. It's obviously real native speech is better, but this is better than nothing.
carénach,
So you can do that, or you can highlight the whole thing and it will read it.
seo díomh a chairde. Dún óblá caithfeamach bríomhar ceolmhar ardínta crómh go buacach táid an spéir go mín réaltógach.
So I'm pretty proud of that little Chrome extension tool. And once I get everything finished up and packaged up, then I'll release it and I'll put it on my home screen.